Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine and well. In today's session, we're going to learn how to speak about my family. My family. So, let's start. Let's start with the vocabulary. So, father, father, mother, mother, brother, brother, sister, sister, parents, parents, grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, grandparents, grandparents. So let's repeat them again and repeat with me slowly. Father, mother, brother, sister, parents, grandfather, grandmother, grandparents, grandparents. Excellent work. So, let's put these words in sentences. This is my family. This is my family. My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. I have one brother. I have one brother. I have one sister. I have one sister. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. Now, repeat with me. This is my family. My father is a teacher. My mother is a doctor. I have one brother. I have one sister. We are a happy family. Good job! So now, let's put questions for these sentences. Who is this? Who is this? This is my father. This is my father. Who is this? Who is this? This is my mother. This is my mother. Do you have brothers? Do you have brothers? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Or you can say, I have one brother. I have one brother. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? I have two sisters. I have two sisters. Now, it's your turn. Who is this? Who is this? Great. Who is this? Who is this? Excellent. Do you have brothers? Do you have brothers? Good. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? Excellent work. Okay, now your homework to write 5 sentences about your family. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share and also subscribe our channel for more. See you in lesson 4. Goodbye.